create our labs and simulate some scenarios to make the theory and the practice together. We need, as we have seen before, GNS3 graphical user interface, as you see here. GNS3 VM is running in VMware. This is VMware Workstation, which I used in this course. GNS3 VM is running here. Okay. Now we need to install FortiGate in GNS3. So go here, all devices, new template, install an appliance from GNS3 server. So click next it. These are the categories. Choose firewalls, FortiGate, and so install. Click next it. Next it. As we see here, we have various versions of FortiGate, like 7.4. Click here is missing, so click to download it. As you see here, this notification download will redirect you where the required file can be downloaded. You may have to be registered with the vendor in order to download the file. So we need to have an account activated. Click yes. As you see here, we are now in the Fortinet support. We need to log in with our account and our password. So now I log in FortiCloud website to install FortiGate virtual machine. Skip, I will do it later. I need to set up my phone. Now we are here to firmware image. Choose the product FortiGate virtual machine image. FortiGate KVM, which compatible with our environment. We choose 7.4.11. We need to choose KVM, out KVM JEP, download it. Once it's downloaded, we need to unzip it. Unzip the file. It says okay. So 7.4.11. This is FortiOS. Perfect. Install it in GNS3. Choose it here, which is missing. Import. Go to the file which I downloaded here. It's our version. Click here. Yes. And now just need to wait. Sorry, we installed 7.4.11. So to create a new, so 11. Oh, change for 7.4.11 here. Port. This is so. Okay. And we are here. Exit. Yes. User's default username is admin. No password is set. So finish. Okay. And we have it now in our GNS3. This is 7.4.11. So to make it function, we need to add cloud here. This is the cloud in GNS3. So okay, this is our cloud, which connected to my modem will be take IP from DHCP. Need to connect it. Save. Port, we can use port 2 also. This is port 2. Now, need to start the device. As you see here, GNS3 is running. FortiGate is running. You can configure also the RAM and it works. So the ports, okay. Double click here. As you see here, device is starting. It's now ahead with our installation. Site, password, perfect. So we installed FortiGate VM in GNS3, and if we go back in FortiCloud and check our licenses, so go here, firmware, assist management, sorry, and we can check if we have another license. As you see here with my account, I have one product license, FortiAnalyzer. So in this lesson, we installed FortiGate VM in GNS3, and our FortiGate can navigate through internet. Be sure that your FortiGate can navigate through internet and perfect. So now we installed FortiGate in GNS3 and we configure port 2 with DHCP, HTTP, HTTPS, Telnet, and Ping. You can check if you can ping FortiGate from your PC. And be sure that your FortiGate can navigate through internet, which we need or activate the license in the next video.